Hello everyone. Today we're working on this. It's an Invicta watch, and it seems like the battery's dead, so I'm going to use my really old Harbor Freight watch case tool, and I adjusted it. And then we're going to line up all the pins, 3, and then give it a nice firm spin. That should open up the screw down case. We'll give it a nice cleaning, and then we'll see what size battery this thing takes. I hope I have one, but who's to say? Okay, so there we go. Case is open. And the battery is right there, and under the microscope it looks like it's a okay, let's take it out. A little spudger tool and just pop it out. It's one of these little thin jobs. Should be able to get this out without damaging it. There we go. And here she is. This is a, hope you can see it on the camera. It is a 920 WSR. So I'm going to check to see if I have one of those in my stash. And there you go. I got one from this. Okay. So I'm going to take one of these out, which is compatible with a 371, but it says it's a 920. So, and I usually order these on Amazon or wherever I can find them sometimes to find the bulk. And I usually just keep some batteries on hand for just this case. So let's just pop one open and take one up. There we go. And then we will then place it inside and just test to make sure that the watch actually works. Still. Oopsies. That's a lot of confusion, huh? And let's see. There we go. And the watch works. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean around it, clean off all the debris, give it a nice cleaning, lube the O-ring with a little bit of, and then we'll tighten it down, and basically that's it. Super easy battery replacement on these watches. So thanks a lot, guys. Hopefully you enjoy the video. You guys have a wonderful day, and thanks for subscribing. Bye now.